Adobe Acrobat Reader is the most reliable free global standard document management system available. View, edit, sign PDF documents by working directly on the text. Collaborate with your team when you work from home or are out of the office. Let's see how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader on Android. First, we need to go to Google Play. So open Google Play. On the search above, write Acrobat Reader. Now, tap on Search. After you have found the app, just tap on Install and wait. You have now installed Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Android device. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. You can log in with Google, Facebook, Apple, or Adobe ID. Let's log in with Google. So tap Sign in with Google. If you have multiple accounts on Google, select the one you wish to use. Here, tap Allow that you wish the app to see your info from Google, like email and personal info you made publicly available. Now just select the country and put your date of birth. Check, please contact me via email. Tap on Done. Your new account is ready and the app is ready to be used. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.